These are RRG graphs, as they're often called. They're on Bloomberg and Reuters icon and used by professionals, portfolio managers, hedge fund managers and so forth to look at many securities versus something. So to do many graphs in one graph rather than going through lots and lots of graphs. And in this particular one, you can see it's in 4 quadrants, and it's populated by the Eurostoxx constituents of the Eurostoxx banking sector. So, and it's all their performance versus the Eurostoxx banking sector. So you can see 4 quadrants. So anything that's on the right of 100, the vertical line 100, is outperforming the index. And so the things which are furthest to the right are the strongest banks in the banking sector. And you can see that in this case it's Virgin. Anything to the left of it is underperforming the whole index. So these are the weaker banks in the banking index. But what is so interesting about this, and what's technical analysis about it, is that we have the horizontal axis too, again at 100. Anything that's above 100 in this axis is with positive momentum. So the implication of this is the top right-hand quadrant, where Virgin is right now, the Virgin is outperforming with positive momentum. Good and getting better is the message. Bottom right-hand quadrant, which we call weakening quadrant, that quadrant is outperforming but losing upside momentum, weakening. So these are the things which have been good and look like going down the list of performance. Bottom left is the horrible place you don't want to be. That's underperforming with no upside momentum, the no-hopers. And then top left is perhaps the most interesting area if you have a more aggressive approach to the market, is that these are securities which are underperforming but have got positive momentum. And so you might call them the next big thing. They're currently not in favour, but they're coming up in positive momentum. We know as technical analysts, momentum precedes price, and so we're looking for this to be an early message of the next big thing. One other thing, just in the understanding of it, anything which is close to the middle, the crosshair of the middle, is correlating with the index itself. And so and you would expect the big banks to be there because they are big constituents of the index. Things that are further away from the index are the smaller members of the index, but being further away is where you're going to get actual outperformance. So Virgin is very interesting because it's away from the middle. It's strong and it's actually outperforming. It's got high beta. It's a thing you can make money from. You can get outperformance from. It's very difficult to outperform the banking index by buying HSBC because it almost is the banking index. So you have to buy something which is a smaller member, which is to get genuine alpha outperformance from them.